Okay, hi everyone. I'm going to go through using the ice cube, and here are some top tips on using the product. It's etched on the reverse side, so when you're using it, you need to have it the correct way up. That is critical, otherwise you cast a shadow on the paper and you can't see what you're drawing. Okay, when using the ice cube and a pencil, sounds obvious, but you do need to keep a sharp pencil because throughout the drawing it will become blunt very quickly. So in completing the drawing, just ensure that it remains sharp. When drawing, a lot of students and a lot of young children press too hard with the pencil. Not sure why, I did it when I was younger. You can actually draw with the actual weight just of the pencil on its own. So if I just show you a demonstration here, using the ice cube, just with the weight of the pencil. Another tip here, you put your pencil on the point, you take the ruler or the ice cube to the actual pencil itself, and that's how you do it. Okay, here again, pencil on the point, and again here. Okay, so there we have the cube here. To be honest, I'm not quite happy with this line here. Sometimes when you're rubbing out detail, you need a nice hard edge or a nice sharp edge on the eraser. Now what I generally use is a pair of scissors just to cut the rubber in half or cut the tip off it, just to have a nice sharp edge on it. So health and safety, mind your fingers. And just a very tip, try and be economical, don't waste anything. Although you have got two sides you can use. Okay, there, and you can see now we have a nice sharp edge to work with. Okay, when working on a drawing that has taken a number of hours, I mean this is a highly detailed drawing, there's a lot of graphite on the paper. So if I was completing, say, further details on the top here, and I was drawing around it, my hand here is over there, or maybe some further details down here. So as you can see, my hand's all over the drawing. What you do really need to do, and what I did do when I completed this drawing, so I've used a piece of paper to cover up the drawing. It's critical in not ruining the drawing. So as you can see now here, if I was going to add a service panel detail or darken up a particular line, side of my hand here is not affecting the drawing, and graphite smudges really easily.